In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Shopify to Klaviyo. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's dive right in. First things first, you'll want to begin by logging into your Shopify admin panel. This is your main hub for managing your store, and we'll need to access a few different sections to get our integration up and running. Once you're in, focus your attention on the Apps section. Here, you'll want to select All Recommended Apps. This will take you to the Shopify App Store where we can find Klaviyo. Now, go ahead and search for Klaviyo in the App Store. Once you see it pop up, click on it to open its details. You'll find an Install button. Go ahead and click that. You might be prompted to confirm the installation, so click Install once more to initiate the connection with your Shopify store. After the app is installed, you'll need to set up your account. If you're new to Klaviyo, you'll have the option to create a new account. But for those who are already Klaviyo users, simply click on Login to access your existing account. Once you've logged in, you'll be guided through configuring your initial tracking and data settings. Make sure that options like on-site tracking, tracking behavioral events, and syncing data with Shopify are all toggled on. This is essential for ensuring that all the data flows smoothly between Shopify and Klaviyo. Next, you'll be prompted to choose your preferred destination list, such as your default email list. Once you've made your selection, click the button that says Connect to Shopify. This step is crucial because it links your Klaviyo account directly with your Shopify store, allowing you to begin collecting valuable customer data and insights. Now, let's move on to enabling the app embed. Head back to your Shopify dashboard and navigate to the Apps section again. Click on Klaviyo. In this section, you should see an option to enable the app embed. Go ahead and click Turn On. This action will open up your Shopify theme editor. In the sidebar of the editor, make sure that the Klaviyo app embed toggle is turned on. Once you've confirmed that it's activated, don't forget to hit Save in the top right corner. This ensures that all your changes are saved properly. And just like that, once these steps are completed, your Klaviyo data syncing and tracking functions are fully active and integrated into your Shopify store. You should now be set up to harness the full potential of Klaviyo to enhance your email marketing efforts. With this integration, you can begin tracking customer behaviors and sending targeted emails based on that data, helping to grow your business effectively. That's it for today's tutorial on connecting Shopify to Klaviyo. I hope you found it helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.